Hey, it's March.
And this month we're using essential oils to make our beauty products toxin-free. The Simply Earth March recipe box gives you everything you need to make 6 natural beauty care products. This month's box comes with Beauty Within Blend, Amyris, Tea Tree, and Palmarosa essential oils.
And my favorite oil from this month's box is our Beauty Within essential oil. It's really great for making your skin beautiful.
The extras in this month's box include vegetable glycerin, castor oil, 2 lip balm tubes, and beetroot powder, which is a natural colorant.
And each box comes with 6 recipes that are created by aromatherapists, so we can teach you how to use everything in the box.
Essential oils and extras.
Included in your free bonus box is beeswax, solid coconut oil, almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, roll-on bottles, and 5 milliliter bottles for all your recipes that are coming your way.
Let's talk about our favorite recipes from this month's box.
All right, so mine is the DIY Shiny Pink Lip Balm. It gives your lips a little bit of a pink tint, and I love it.
My favorite is the Soothing Facial Essence. It preps your skin for makeup or serums and can help soothe redness, which my skin is very prone to redness, so.
Yep, that's perfect for you. Wow, you get all of this for $39 a month.
That's crazy. I spend more than that on my lattes. And not only are you saving money, you're learning how to use essential oils to make your home toxin-free.
So go ahead and subscribe today.
Just go to simplyearth.com/box and learn how to use essential oils and save money.
See you later.